Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a Wix website for online jewelry. So to do that, I'm going to provide a full step-by-step guide on how to get started. So the first thing to do is to sign up into your account, then create a new site or choose online store, then search for jewelry store template and select one. Then you can simply click on edit to start customizing. Then after that, you can add a logo or a brand name, then update color, font, and image to mark your brand. Then highlight a best-selling connection or limited time offer to create a page. And after that, show up, which is to showcase your jewelry item. Then add about us page. Then tell your customers about your brand stories. Then also add your contact us, which include your email, phone number, and your social media link. Also, a shipping and return, which is very important to for customers trust. And after that, set up a navigation menu. To do that, click on the minus and page, then organize your menu for easy browsing. And after that, in Wix dashboard, go to the store product and add a new product, then upload the high quality image with a font size and close up views. Then click on enter. Then after that, enter the product name, description, the price, stock availability, then the categories, which is ring, necklace, or bracelet, then click on save. And after that, you can set up payment and shipping. Then for shipping, then go to settings, click on accept payment, then choose paper, shrimp, or Wix payment method if you want. Then set up the shipping rate, which is the delivery zone or return policy. And after that, switch to mobile view in Wix editor and adjust layout. Then after that, I can also add the keywords, which is the homemade cloth rings for the SEO settings. Then write a SEO friendly page title and description. Then enable the Google index. And after that, click publish to go live, and also connect a custom domain for your website. Then promote via Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and email marketing platform. And that's how to create a Wix website for online jewelry.